If you want to create professional thumbnails but don't know how, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to make eye-catching and attractive thumbnails with the help of AI. If you are a new viewer on this channel, make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and search for ChatGPT. Open the first link, and you'll see this interface. Click on Try ChatGPT. You'll see an interface with a search bar located at the bottom of the screen. Click on it and enter a prompt according to your thumbnail needs. For example, write, "Give me an image-generating prompt for my YouTube video thumbnail titled, 'How to Make Thumbnails with the Help of AI Tools.'" Then, hit the Enter button. After a few seconds, you will receive an image-generating prompt. Select this prompt and copy it. Next, open a new tab and search for ideogram.ai. You'll see this interface. This tool allows you to generate any image and logo. In the search bar, paste the image-generating prompt. Then, select the aspect ratio 16:9. Go to the Magic Prompt tab, click on the On button. Keep visibility public, and then click on the Generate button. After some time, you will get some thumbnails according to your prompt. You can view any thumbnail by clicking on it and download any thumbnail free of cost. This is the first method of creating thumbnails with the help of AI. Let's move on to the second method. Open a new tab and search for Leonardo.ai. You'll see this interface. Click on Get Started, and then you'll see this interface. Click on Google. Then you'll see this interface. Click on Image Generation, and you'll see this interface. Click here and paste an image-generating prompt. Select the aspect ratio 16:9, then click on the Generate button. After a few seconds, this will give you some thumbnails for your YouTube videos. You can see that I have some thumbnails appearing on this page. I can download any thumbnail free of cost. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.